What's up guys, it's Scotty here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we got started, click that subscribe button, turn notification, give me a huge thumbs up. Today guys, look me. I'm in the look. This is cellphone ni Kali. And this is Kali. Look, you can see. Kita. Mama! Okay, your laro is Toka Boca. O gusto nyong avatar? Comment below and I will read your comment. And what your favorite game? Avatar Road, Toka Boca. What is it? If you love both, like and subscribe. If you like Avatar Road, like. And you love Toka Boca World, subscribe. Like this. And subscribe, please. Please subscribe. Ayan, Toka Boca. Now, okay, wala pag-view. Okay. Ay, wag na to. Ayusin ko naman ulit. Kasi guys, nawala na agad yung ano ko. Kasi nung agad. No. Ito oh. Ito lang. And like please.
Huwag pakisalaman na ako. Lalapitan, may karayo. Huwag lalapitan yan, may karayo niya.
Penay ako. Pen. Penay ho pen. Apple pen. Pen ako, apple pen. Apple pen. Pineapple pen. Okay guys. We are here. And that's my little brother. This is our real house. And this is not. This is fake. This is ibang house. This is mama. Yun nakita nyo. And this is my gaming station. Will video like this. What is? I miss you. Look. What is this? Say goodbye. Don't. Goodbye. Good night. I said good night. Okay. Look this. Ito, 100 lang. Nabawasan kasi. Ito, wala pa nabawasan kay nanay. Okay, guys. And make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!